Hey guys, it's Arena. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So I'm actually going on a road trip with two of my closest friends and I thought I would bring you guys along. We're hitting the winery before we check in, which is why I'm all glammed up. This is like the first road trip that we've taken together, so I thought it would be cute to document it. So I hope you guys enjoy. Hi! Hello, we're here at the winery. It's so pretty. There's a little playground for kids, which is kind of cute. In the nature. We wanted to sit on that table, but it's reserved. My hair, I can't comb my hair properly.
Did you comb with that machine?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. What a loser. We need orange juice for breakfast tomorrow. Which one shall we get?
I like the $6 double pulp packet.
Yes, I like it. Sounds good. It sounds good.
Take the one inside.
What to get so far?
You could probably choose an ice cream.
Okay, I'll help. Wait, which one
You were standing in the back looking.
which one are we debating between?
Okay, golden go times.
I love.
Wave. Mango.
Not bad.
I like mango. I think that works. Oh no.
Are you changing? Oh my gosh.
Also 30 seconds, okay? Wait, stop. Okay, stop. I don't like that. Get the big fat one then. Let me put this in.
Yeah.
Is this normally a couple's retreat, Mary?
Oh. Oh my
Guys, I'll
god.
still eat it, you still eat it.
I would still eat it.
I'll eat it. Fuck, that's my dear. We lost 3 chips.
More than 3.
Oh, these in the corners too. We lost about a handful of chips here.
Oh my god, Blackpink. I love this song too.
Digestive. When you want to take good shits. Perfect.
We'll take it after.
We're still drinking them. Calm down, man.
After we eat.
No, she wants to take them home, babe.
Oh,
As I'm a tea junkie.
can I take all of them too?
Yeah. Oh, Rina, do you mind running to the bathroom again and make it a little towel? We look at the hand cloth here. How dare you?
Nah, it doesn't matter.
Did you
Smile. Okay. Back to that pink. Oh shit.
Let me charge my phone. Is there a cable there? I mean, is there like a...
Yeah. Blackpink who?
Oh my god.